Is cholesterol bad? That's the question I get a lot from a lot of my patients. Cholesterol has a bad reputation for your health because of its role in causing heart issues. Excess cholesterol in our body causes clogging of artery, which leads to heart attack. However, the role of cholesterol in our body is not all negative. Cholesterol is vital for well-being. Cholesterol is found in every cell in the body. It is needed to make hormones like testosterone, estrogen, enzymes, and vitamins like vitamin D. There are two different types of cholesterol. The first one is LDL, low density lipoprotein. We also call it bad cholesterol. Cholesterol carries molecules from one part of your body to another. Excess LDL can get deposited in your artery walls, which later down the road causes atherosclerosis. There is also something called VLDL, very low density lipoprotein, which is similar to LDL but mainly carries triglyceride. The second type of cholesterol is HDL, high density lipoprotein. We call this as a good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol soaks up extra cholesterol and fat throughout the body like a sponge. It brings the excess back to your liver to ultimately get flushed out of your body. So when you go for your annual physical and your doctor sees that your cholesterol is high, usually what they recommend is cut down on food that is high in cholesterol. But that is not the only thing that may help you improve your blood work. Cholesterol is so important that our liver makes 80% of the cholesterol. Only 20% comes from the cholesterol food we eat. Now, how does liver make cholesterol? To make cholesterol, liver needs ingredient, we call it a building block. Usually the building blocks are sugar, trans fat, saturated fat, and refined carbs. When you eat these building blocks, it pushes liver to make more cholesterol. Even though you may be eating diet that is very low in cholesterol and your levels may still be elevated. Now the next one is when we eat sugar, our body produces insulin hormone. Spike in insulin level signals liver to make more cholesterol. Regular spike in insulin speeds up the process of cholesterol production. So basically sugar is a double-edged sword. It is a building block for your cholesterol, and the response of sugar, which is insulin, speeds up the process of cholesterol production. So next time when you go for your physical and your cholesterol level is high, just lowering the food that has cholesterol in it will not help. You will also have to lower building blocks of cholesterol. You will also have to make sure that you're not eating a lot of sugary food, because remember 80% of the cholesterol is coming from the liver, and the liver is making it because you're giving them all the building blocks. Now, how to lower the cholesterol naturally? Number one is reduce trans fat and saturated fat. This type of food will increase your LDL level, usually the bad cholesterol, which later down the road leads to atherosclerosis or buildup in the arteries. Number two, cut down on sugar and refined carbs. This is, like I discussed, double-edged sword. It's going to speed up the cholesterol production and also is a building block for your body. So make sure you're not eating a lot of sugary food and processed food. Number three, increase healthy fats. So eat food like nuts, avocado, olive oil, fish. This will help you boost up your HDL, which is good cholesterol. This helps you clean up the excess bad cholesterol in your body. And the last one, most important one, exercise. Lifting weight, exercising regularly will not only help you lower LDL, but it will help you boost HDL level, which is good cholesterol. Because excess cholesterol, excess LDL build up in your body will ultimately lead to build up in your artery called atherosclerosis, and which will eventually lead to heart attack and stroke. So if you want to improve your heart health and want to cut down on artery buildup, make sure you not only lower the food that is high in cholesterol, but also all the building blocks. Make sure you follow your doctor's guidelines, and if you have more questions, comment below, and see you in next video. Subscribe for more videos.